today I'm coming at you guys with something a little bit different. So I went to Zara. Now Zara is the place to be when you are looking for jewelry and accessories. I don't think I've ever purchased this much Zara or this many Zara accessories ever. So I thought it would be a great video to showcase my Zara accessories. So today, as you can see, I'm wearing some of them. I'm going to be doing, hopefully quick, but a quick Zara, turn this around, a quick Zara accessories haul. Again, I think I got about 6 pieces total, 3 necklaces, earrings, and 2 belts. So I just want to go ahead and try them on. This season, it seems to be very mixed metal, which I love. I equally love gold. I equally love silver. My favorite metal of all time is gunmetal. I also like rose gold. So again, off topic. This is mainly gold and silver. But yes, I want to go ahead and try them on and showcase some of them for you. And I'll also include the links below. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I went to my local Zara and right away I noticed a mixed metal trend throughout this spring season. So I'm going to start off with the only pair of earrings that I purchased, and these are called the plaque earrings, which as you can see look just like a ticket stub. The actual ticket stub itself is in gold and it's connected by a small tiny hoop earring. The ticket stub says Hotel Malibu and could definitely be both a statement and casual piece. At first glance, I thought, girl, these are going to be heavy, but surprisingly, they are super lightweight. There was no tugging on my earlobes at all. Now, I'm definitely an earrings girl, and while these could shine on their own, they would still work with a dainty or thin necklace. These are definitely different, and I'm glad to have added these to my collection. Now, speaking of thin necklace, I also purchased this very dainty and simple gold necklace. The official name is the Rigid Choker Necklace, and it's a simple, adjustable choker-style piece. Honestly, I am not a choker girl, but I've been eyeing a simple, lower profile necklace, and I was shocked to still see this in the actual Zara stores. I would wear this with some simple studs or a very small hoop earring. Again, totally adjustable. You can wear it as tight or as loose as you like. Now, these necklaces are what originally caught my eye in the first place. Now, I believe this piece is a Zara and Massimo Dutti collaboration, hence the higher price point. Now, these are a set of 2 necklaces, and something about the chunky textures as well as the rustic mixed metal definitely intrigued me. Again, I'm not really into necklaces all that much, but these were just too cool. I had to. Now, in these clips, I actually separated the 2, and as you can see, the model is shown wearing the first necklace in its longer length style, but I think it looks dope actually doubled up. That was my vision. I centered the chain with the charms first, then I simply wrapped the remaining chain and closed the gold clasp facing the front. So before I move on to the second necklace, if you are enjoying the content thus far, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That would really help me out a lot. Thanks in advance. Okay, so here's the second necklace that came with the set, and this one also has a gold coin charm, but along with the gold chain, it also showcases a black, almost leather-like cord detail, kind of intertwined and knotted within the chain. Now, as you can see, this is very, very long as well, almost double the length of the first necklace. Now, you could wear this, of course, choker style, but have the chain cascade down the back as an unexpected wow factor. Or if you have a low cut or open front blouse, wear this almost doubled up yet again as a lariat style necklace. However, my original vision was to simply layer and double up both of these necklaces and wear these together as one big statement piece. Again, works both with gold and silver, even black leather accessories. Okay, next, belts. Can we give an honorable mention to the dust bag? Again, staying with the same mixed metal theme, I found this super cute, thin little black belt with gold accents. Now, this belt, at least for me, isn't meant to be a statement belt. I see it more if you just need a little something, a little je ne sais quoi to zhuzh up the outfit a little bit. Also, I wanted to point out that this belt is genuine leather. I am definitely a belt girl, and belts are a staple and will stay in my wardrobe forever. But I like this belt because it does have a tie closure and you can wear it a number of ways. Now, even though I consider this belt to be super long, depending on a number of things, if you wear high waist, mid-rise, or low-rise jeans or pants. Also for reference, these are low-rise jeans that I'm wearing, size 10. I am 5'8", and I am considered mid-size. But also, if you decide to wear this with a dress, as well as depending on how big or how small your waist is, you may be able to wrap it around twice. First, I showed how you can wrap it around once and wear it with a hanging tassel style, or you can wrap it around twice, making it a little tighter on the waist or hips and having the gold peeking out to slightly dress up an otherwise casual outfit. All right, sadly, this belt is going to be an honorable mention and I have since returned it. First, I was ecstatic to have found the silver one online. However, once received, it was significantly different. It's silver and genuine leather, but this was a rope style belt that was a little too thin for me. But I'm exchanging it with another belt, so keep an eye on my YouTube shorts. I will definitely do an update. Alrighty, so that concludes my Zara accessories haul. And if you made it this far, make sure to thumbs up this video. On that note, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.